Hi guys, and welcome to get another excited video tutorials. Note that 13 colors. Artboard size width 900 and height 500 pixels. Create rectangle, same as artboard size. Align. Add gradient pickup color code 1 and 2. Type any text as you want. Select font as you like. Fill off. Appearance. If you don't show that, then go to Window. Appearance. Add new fill. Fill 1. Add gradient. Pick up color code 3, 4, and 3. Fill 2. Pick up color code 5. Add transform effect. Horizontal 1.7 pixel and vertical 3.5 pixel. Fill 3. Add gradient. Pick up color code 7, 8, and 7. Delete transform effect. Add offset path 9 pixels. Fill 4. Pick up color code 4, 8, and 9. Change offset path 11 pixels. Fill 5. Pick up color code 10. Change offset path 18 pixels. Fill 4. Copy. Change offset path 20 pixels. Fill 7. Pick up color code 7 and 8. Offset path same. Transform effects horizontal 0 and vertical 0.5 pixels. 10 copies. Fill 8. Pick up color code 9 and 11. Offset path same. Change transform effect horizontal 99.8 pixels. 13 copies. Fill 9. Pick up color code 13, 8, 12, and 9. Offset path same. Change transform effect 38 copies. Fill 10 black color. Offset path delete. Change transform effect vertical 70 pixels. Copies 0. Add Gaussian blur 28 pixels. Opacity 60% multiply. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you like that, then subscribe, like and share.